My earlobes look very akin to like, have you ever seen those ham legs that hang in like delis? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely day. Today I am pretty excited because we are going to be opening up a brand new box to the channel. This box I do also believe is pretty new in the scope of subscription boxes. Also, real quick, please ignore that it looks like I took hot bright red lipstick and just like drew a circle fully all the way around my mouth, basically not even on my lips. I tried on a red lipstick and because of my very unsteady hand and the very pigmented nature of red lipstick, it's all the way around my face. Also, just a little bit under my glasses. Anyway, so today we're going to be talking about the brand new to the channel, at least Merrier box, and this comes in a very hot pink box with some very pretty tape around the outside. I wonder how they got that. I like that tape. This box I have right here is not exactly a beauty box. On the website it says it is a box that will fulfill all of your pampering needs. It also is a monthly subscription that is $29 a month plus $6 shipping. So this definitely is on the pricier side. I do have a 20% off code for you guys though. It's just 20% off for you. It's just 20%. It's just 20%. Why can't I talk? I've literally tried to say this 10 times. Thank goodness for editing. Anyway, I have a code. It's not an affiliate code. If you guys want to use it, you get 20% off. I will leave it down below in the description and I'll put it right here on the screen. Alrighty, let's go ahead and cut on into this. I really love the juxtaposition of this very cute little box and this huge blade. So since this box is a $35 box, I'm definitely expecting to see a lot of full-size products in here and some really great stuff. This was sent to me by Merrier, but this is a 100% honest, non-sponsored review. Alrighty, oh dear, okay. Alrighty, so right here on top we have things wrapped up very nicely, which I like. There's also a little card which looks like it tells us all of the products on the inside plus the value of them, which I also very much appreciate. And this month's theme, which is November, is all that glitters. Ooh, okay, so the very first thing I am seeing on top here is this very lovely water bottle. Oh my gosh, it says my name! I do believe I got a little too excited about the vinyl stickers that say my name, but let's go ahead and get on into this bottle here. Alright, a lot's going on here. So we have little stickers on the side here that says my name, Alexandria, right across it. And then the bottle itself, I don't know how well it's turning up on camera, but it has like two walls and inside of it, there's little like rose gold coppery glitters. And you can do this and shake it. It's like a snow globe. It also has one of these little like built-in straw guys to it. This is pretty cool. So this is from the brand Cantini and it is a glitter sports bottle. It's BPA free, double walled and insulated. Very nice. Oh no. I don't know if I have too vigorously shaken this bottle, but I do have a couple little glitters that seem to have popped out of it on my fingers. I don't know if I have sprang a leak or maybe they were just kind of on the outside somewhere. Where did that come from? So I don't know where those glitters came from, but I am very excited about this water bottle and like that just little extra added touch of putting my name on it. I think that's pretty cute. Whoa. Okay, so next up here we have a pair of earrings and these are some of the most like intense earrings I've ever seen. These are Luxe earrings by Merrier and there is just so much going on with these. They are very bright and bold. They honestly look a little bit vintagey, which I kind of like because I do love vintage stuff. These most definitely have some heft to them. I know I definitely should alcohol swap these before I put them in my ear holes, but that would require getting up and out from underneath my electric blanket, which I just don't know if I'm willing to do. Ooh. You can definitely feel these earrings. There is quite a bit of weight to these earrings and I got pretty thick earlobes. My earlobes look very akin to like, have you ever seen those ham legs that hang in like delis? That's kind of what we got going on here, but these are quite heavy. They're pretty interesting though. They're definitely different. I'm afraid to wobble these too much because they are very heavy. These definitely aren't something that I wear in my everyday life. I don't really know how well they go with gray old sweatshirts. Maybe for like some event or if I was wearing some type of costume. One thing that I think I might do is get a larger back so there's more surface area like holding the back of the ear because they are tugging quite a bit right now, but these are definitely very interesting earrings. nice. Alrighty guys, next up in here we have something in bubble wrap, and it is an eyeshadow palette. This I'm pretty excited about. So this is the Heavenly 9 eyeshadow palette from Cara Beauty, and I don't believe I've ever tried anything from Cara Beauty or even heard of Cara Beauty, so that's kind of fun, a new little brand. Okie dokie, so inside here we have the eyeshadows. There are 9 pans, that makes sense, the Heavenly 9. We have a lot of like purpley toned shadows and some more like warm neutrals in here. A lot of these do look really pretty. I do own a good amount of these shades. It does look like in this pan here that something kind of dug into it a little bit, but that's no big deal. I do think I might hold on to this though and pass it on to somebody else because I do own a lot of these shades. But I do think this is a very cute little eyeshadow palette, and I think for somebody with green eyes this would look absolutely like amazing on their eyeballs. My entire left leg is fully asleep. Am I gonna do anything about it though? Nope. Okie dokie guys, next up in here we have a little package of very hard to read text. This is a gold gel face mask, and it is supposed to be for all skin types. You put it on your face and it's nice and jelly. Apparently this 15-minute mask here is supposed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. There's not a crazy amount in here, but I'm sure you could get at least 2 or 3 uses out of this. I'm tangled up in my blanket, I can't get free. Next up here we have something that is a little owl, and I do love owls. It is a, what is this called and why can't I remember what things are? You know. You like clip it and there's like a key ring, a keychain, a keychain. This is an owl keychain. All right, so we have our little jewel encrusted owl here. He's nice and round and cute. He's definitely a little bit on the shimmery side with some nice black eyes there. So the next thing we have here is something that I feel like I've seen incredibly recently in another box. I want to say that it was the Tribe Beauty box, but we have a little crown brush 3-piece pro brush trio here, and it's the same crown brushes with the white handles and the pink tops. These are the ones with like the ergonomic thumb holes, and since I did just very recently receive these brushes, I am going to go ahead and pass these on to somebody else. I'm not going to take them out of little plastic or anything. I will say that crown brushes are not my favorite. I just wish there was like a little bit more heft to them, maybe a little bit more of a denser pack brush, but these are cute at least. I like the white handles and the nice pink tops, and it is nice that you get 3 of them. Alrighty, and at the bottom of all of our confetti here, we got a little bag. How cute! It's a bag inside a bag. Or did I just break the bag? Or is it 2 bags? I believe we have options here. Okay, so, all right, so inside here we have a tiny little mustardy yellow colored bag. This is really adorable. I really like this color. Oh, it smells like that good plastic too. All right, so we have our little bag and our little gold chain, but then there's also like this clear bag, and I feel like if you were so inclined and you wanted to just be, I don't know, you wanted it to look a little different, you could put your little mustard bag inside like a little clear rain jacket, or you could have a clear bag and a mustard bag. I'm guessing that's why this came inside of this, so you can have options. All right, so as you can see here, the little gold chain is pretty long, so you could definitely do it as like a little crossbody bag if you like, or just not wear the chain at all and then you have a clutch. I will say that the quality is not feeling amazing on this. The chain is pretty thin and you don't have an actual little like clippy thing. It's more of like a, you just shove it in between these 2 metal bits. The inside is very soft, but I wish it just felt a little bit better. All right, you guys, that was everything that came in the box. Let me quickly just hunt down the card that tells us all the prices of everything really fast. There we are. And I'll give you guys the value of this box. So the first thing we have here is the Crown Makeup Brush Set, which they say is $29.99. I do personally think that is a bit expensive for Crown brushes, but that is just me. Then we have the Custom Glitter Water Bottle, which is $20. This is my personal favorite thing in the entire box. I really do like the added touch of having my name on it, which is really fun. Then we have the Cara Eyeshadow Palette, which is $16.99. Okay, so apparently we could have received the clear chain purse, so I'm guessing this purse is supposed to go on the outside of this purse and I just took it apart. Or the gold iridescent bag, which I got the clear chain purse, which is $12. Then we have the rhinestone Tiffany earrings, which are $9. The gold gemstone owl keychain, which is $4. And then finally the gold gel face mask, which is $3.50. All right, so according to the little calculator here, my total value came to $95.60. 78 cents, which is actually minus 30 cents because I typed in 380 instead of 350 for the face mask. So $95.48, which if you take into the account that the box total plus shipping is $35, it's an okay value, it's decent. You also have to take into account if these are the kinds of things that you enjoy and you like and you would find valuable on your own. To be 100% completely honest, some of these things are not my personal style, but you might really like them. I think the earrings are, you know, a little bit more than something I would typically wear. I don't standardly wear jewelry and things like that or put charms in my purses or keys. But like I said, I am pretty excited for the water bottle, and I do think this little eyeshadow palette here did look really cute. So for me personally, I don't know if this box is geared toward things that I would typically purchase for myself, but I would love to know what you guys thought about this box. Please feel free to leave all of your opinions and thoughts down below in the comment section. Anyway, that is everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!